guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a teal glitter eyes. If you're interested to see how I achieve this look, please stay tuned. I will be using the Jaclyn Hill palette to achieve this look, and right here I'm just using a light brown shade in my crease. Now I'm just taking the dark brown from that palette and applying it to my crease. Now I'm just applying the dark blue shade from the palette to my lid. Just applying NYX Cosmetic glitter in teal. I did my lashes and wing liner off camera. Now I'm using NYX Cosmetic Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation in the color Mahogany, and also be using Huda Beauty Nude Concealer. I'm just going to set the places that I highlighted with Huda Beauty Kunafa setting powder. Right here I'm just contouring my face per usual. I contour my forehead, my cheeks, and my nose. I'm using that same dark blue shade under my lash line. Here I'm just applying mascara to my bottom lashes. This is the finished look, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And please don't forget to hit the notification bell. Later.